With the Everest Forms free version, you can find various form fields in the form builder. These form fields are more than enough to create any contact form or any other form for your website. So, to get you familiar with the form fields, we have made a list of the fields with the description. So let's go through it one by one. First, we have the general fields. The general field first includes first and the last name. The first name and the last name field allows you to retrieve the first and last names of your users respectively. Another field we have under general field is single line text. This form field allows you to retrieve any one-line text information from the user as per your requirement. This field comes in very handy when you need to add a custom field to your form which isn't already on the form builder. After you insert this field to your form, you can go to the field options. Here you can change the label, description and other advanced settings. In the advanced option, you can see the settings such as placeholder. Here you can enter the text for the form field placeholder. Hide label. This option allows you to hide the field label in the form. Limit length. This option allows you to limit the text length entered by the users by characters or by the word count. Minimum length. With this option, you can set the minimum text length entered by the users by characters or the word count. Next, we have default value. Here, enter the default text value for the form field. CSS classes. With this option, you can enter the CSS class name and make sure to separate them by the commas. Lastly, we have input mask. This allows you to enter the custom input mask. Moving on, we have the paragraph text field. This form field allows you to retrieve any type of information, usually a paragraph from the users. You can use this field to get descriptive and lengthy responses from the users. To change the form field options, you must click on the paragraph field. Now you can see the various options such as label, meta key, description and advanced options. Also, there are the advanced options similar to the single line text field. Here you can set the placeholder text, hide label, limit length, default value and so on.